If you've received a letter from VA proposing to reduce your disability rating, I want you to know two things right away. First, this is not a final decision. Second, you have real legal rights in this process, and the time to use them is right now. I'm Brad Hennings, a partner at Chisholm Chisholm Kilpatrick. Before joining CCK, I served as a veterans law judge at the Board of Veterans' Appeals. Today, I want to walk you through exactly what happens when VA proposes a reduction and what you can do about it. Step 1. Pay attention to the proposed reduction letter. Under 38 CFR, Section 3.105E, VA is required to send you a written notice before it can reduce your compensation. That letter has to explain the reasons for the proposed reduction and identify the evidence, usually a recent compensation and pension exam that VA believes supports it. Here's the important part. Nothing changes the day that letter arrives. Your current rating and your current payment stays in place while the process plays out. Step 2. You have a 60-day window to submit evidence. From the date on that notice letter, you have 60 days to submit evidence showing that your disability has not improved or that any apparent improvement does not meet the legal standard for a reduction. This is your most important window. Use it. Get your treatment records together. Talk to your treating clinician. A private medical opinion from a doctor or clinician who actually knows your condition can carry significant weight. Do not assume that one C&P exam tells the full story of your disability. Under the regulations, it shouldn't. Step 3. You have the right to a predetermination hearing. Within 30 days of that notice letter, not the full 60, you can also request what's called a predetermination hearing. That's a hearing held before any final decision is made. Here's why this matters. If you request a hearing on time, VA cannot reduce your rating until after that hearing is conducted and a final decision is issued. Your payments continue at the current level in the meantime. Step 4. Know the legal standard that VA has to meet. This is where many veterans don't realize how strong their position may be. VA cannot reduce your rating just because one exam looked a little better. Under 38 CFR 3.344, VA must show sustained improvement, meaning your condition has genuinely gotten better, and that improvement is likely to hold up under the ordinary conditions of life and work, not just on the day of the exam, in your daily functioning. And if your rating has been in place for 5 years or more, VA faces an even higher bar. It must review your entire medical history, not just the most recent exam, and show that sustained improvement is documented across the record as a whole. One better exam is not enough. A good day at an appointment is not enough. The law requires more than that. At CCK, we've worked with thousands of veterans navigating situations exactly like this. If you'd like to tell us about your case, you can reach us at 800-544-9144 or through our website at cck-law.com. We're here to help.